Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to enable background audio playback in the Vivaldi browser on your phone. This feature allows you to continue listening to music, podcasts. First, open the Vivaldi browser on your phone. Next, tap the Vivaldi icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, scroll through the menu and select Settings. After that, choose the general option to access the main browser preferences. Now, find the option labeled Allow Background Audio Playback and turn it on. Finally, click on Relaunch Now to apply the changes and restart the browser. Once Vivaldi restarts, your background audio playback will be enabled, and you can enjoy continuous audio even when the browser is not actively open. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.